Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 SLT in an Onyx Black. This one is powered by a 6.6 liter Duramax diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our jet black interior, leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides with our power seat controls here at the bottom left. Up top we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel, and inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Down low we do have our volume scroller here on the left hand side, and in the middle you'll find our dual climate controls. On the right hand side you'll find our USB-C and USB charge port. And on the left-hand side, you'll find our trailer brake controls, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with a push-start ignition, keyless entry, and remote start. We also have some additional storage down below with our 2 cup holders, storage on the side. And inside the middle console here, we do have our wireless charging pad to go alongside our USB-C and USB charge ports, our AC outlet, and of course, additional storage space inside. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that, we do have our power adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle, we have our power locks and our seat memory settings. And over here, you'll find our park brake, our drive modes, and our automatic high beam controls. Moving back up to the steering wheel here on the right-hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here in the middle. On the left-hand side, you'll find our forward collision alert, as well as our heated steering wheel controls and our cruise control settings. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera and all the other settings here down below. Up top, we have our universal home garage opener, our power controls for our rear power sliding window, and of course, our sunroof controls. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our jet black interior, leather heated seats on both sides with plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. In the middle, we have our seat controls, as well as our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat, there is cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, inside our seats itself, we also have some additional storage, as well as underneath. In the middle, we have our cup holders. And last but not least, we have our rear power sliding window. Checking out the exterior here on the SLT, we do have our GMC badge in the middle with our front-facing camera inside our grille with chrome accents, black tow hooks at the bottom, LED headlights and fog lamps. And moving along to the side here, if we take a look at our tires, we have 18-inch rims on our Michelin tires. Up top, we have our power adjustable side mirrors with chrome accents along the side, as well as blinkers. We also have chrome accents on our handles with keyless entry, windows, and our running boards at the bottom. Up top we have our tinted rear windows, and on the side we do have our side assist steps, as well as if we make our way to the back, we also have our corner assist steps with our rear. We also have our SLT badge here on the right hand side, and down below we have our tire and our exhaust. If you open up the tailgate here, it'll come down no problem, hands free after one push, to lead you to our spray-on bedliner, and of course our 120 volt outlet here on the right hand side. And that is our 2026 GMC Sierra 2500HD SLT in an Onyx Black. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.